Okay, so I will explain how the gas system works. First, we shot the rifle out. You see what happened to operating rod? Yeah, because there a gas punched them backward. So when the bullet is fired, it will produce gas which follows the projectile to the point where the gas enters the point called gas porthole. So we have a projectile and high pressure gas. Okay, as if we shot the rifle. And after firing, the gas produced by the bullet enters the port and push the OPR rod backward, so it repeats until the bullet runs out.